So happy birthday, little bro. I
Yeah.
took you here so we can eat. I know it doesn't have the best quality, but I'm going to ask for a tablecloth. So yeah.
Hello. What can
Hello.
I get you, boys?
First, can we have a tablecloth?
Yeah. What kind of tablecloth? The birthday special.
Yeah, the birthday special. Do you mind? I'm a vlogger.
We do not allow cameras here. But since you're very special, I will.
Thanks. I'm a vlogger, so.
I'm a vlogger too.
Oh.
So, the cloth? The birthday special?
Yeah.
What kind? What kind of cloth?
He's my little brother, and I'm his big brother, as you can see.
Mhm.
I don't know how to show
I'll be
it.
back.
So do you want to vlog it, or do you want to just... I'll vlog some of it, okay?
Hello. I'm back with a nice. Do you want this one?
Uh-huh. Oh, here's our nice waiter today, guys. And his, what's your name?
My name?
Lee. Oh yeah, he vlogs, and it's
Channel The Three Mooches.
it's Lulu's birthday.
What's your guys' channel?
Louie and Lulu together. It's actually called.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Okay, I'll be right back. So, what drinks do you want? Water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, so it's his birthday. How old are you turning? He says he's turning 5. I don't know why he doesn't want to talk. That's okay, right? He's turning 5. And I started
Okay.
sitting here.
This one.
Thank you.
So what do you want to eat?
Goldfish.
Goldfish? What does the birthday boy want?
Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its? Okay. Be right with you.
Okay. Must vlog. Why aren't you talking? You normally do in our videos. You shy around the guy? What if he doesn't give us the right stuff? That's just a Nerf gun. Our merch is in the bio, guys. Get it. Just kidding. We don't have merch. And we need to really start on this vlogging game. We just started and we already have 1.5 million subscribers. It might be because of Lulu, because he is normally in the vlogs. Normally not just me. Mostly him. But that's okay. Transition when we have the food. 3, 2, 1. Just kidding. We're gonna do a different transition. Do you like when I do transitions?
Yeah.
You hear him getting stuff.
You go.
It's gonna be a little bit.
Hopefully it gets us the right food.
I wonder if our fans wonder what our outside life is.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay.
We got your grooves.
Cheese it.
I'm gonna sing you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. The Robin special is for you. La 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 la.
So happy birthday. And yeah, so see you next birthday. Bye!
I'm sorry, but this is what he asked for.
What?
He said he wanted.
Oh, that's the birthday boy special that I was talking about. I guess I can get going, you know? I'm running out on the birthday special. Someone's birthday's today. But So, happy birthday to you. Do you have any parents? Is your father supposed to be coming? So, thanks.
Oh my god. Are we giving him a tip? That's what I thought. This is ridiculous, guys. Well, as long as he does like growth, which is good. But it's not like cheeses, like. And I felt like goldfish, so interesting. So it's gonna be the end of this vlog. Well, actually, not the end of this vlog. It's gonna be the end of half. I'm a bit thirsty, you know. It's gonna be. It's gonna be the end of this, part where we're here. We're gonna finish up, and we'll see you back.
Oh, terrible water! What you guys got in it? Oh!
Never mind, guys. He just spit water all over me. Well, we'll see you back when I'm dry. Yeah.
Don't
Can I help you guys with anything?
That's why I got in that.
Take these out. Take this out. I don't want to see that cup again. Do not spit it at me. If you do, and then it's
Ah! You guys are disgusting little animals. Hey! I gave you this food!
come back here later. Now take the water.
Hey guys, me, Lee, and subscribe to the channel. Make it shameless. Oh god, I just
Let's pretend I had a real gun.
The waiter made me choke, and I actually thought I was gonna suffocate and die.
oh my god! Why do you have a? Why do you have a gun?
I got him that for his birthday.
Why would you give him a gun? Guns are not allowed here.
He's a king of the dream.
You guys, I'm really sorry. Do you want me to get someone else to serve you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! No one likes me! How would that?
He's sorry, but come on, he left my camera recording. Please,
I'll just tell the other waiter to dump these out. I don't want that waiter's nasty mouth.
He got. I spit water at him. I started laughing super hard that water seems to get clogged in my throat and I couldn't breathe. Okay, I'm going to delete that footage today and leave you checking out his channel.
No.
Okay.
We don't want him to plug in our video.
No.
May I come in?
Yeah.
I was seriously choking. I'm pretty sure you saw that.
I'm so sorry that happened.
Could you dump these out
Yeah.
Of course.
I guess you want these.
and rinse the
Sides half.
the sides?
Yeah. So guys, that was weird. Yeah, we'll see you back at home while we
We
finish
have our
this.
own private room.
Yeah, when we get home. Wait, what should I do? What transition should I do? Should I jump? We should jump. 3, 2.
Do you guys want more water?
Did you rinse it all?
I'm gonna give you guys half and half for now, okay?
Mhm.
Because I know you guys already started. I'm so sorry. I'm the boss of him, pretty much here. So I just fired him.
Oh, thanks.
Did he spit water in your face?
Yeah, and I spit water back at him.
My name is Z.
Hello, Z.
Hello, and I'm a boy.
Did he say anything about a gun?
Yeah, but you're allowed to have guns here. He's just saying that because
He doesn't want to get shot.
yeah. I mean, he deserves to get shot. So
I wanted
is
to, but
it's your birthday?
yeah.
Okay. So every day is someone's birthday, and today we signed up for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have some choices of things for you to pick out. Okay. So do you like gaming? Because I know you guys did a survey.
Yeah.
Good. Then you like Minecraft.
Yeah.
So in Minecraft, you're never alone and the threat of attack is constant. How can you survive? So I know you're the biggest gamer in the world.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the most followers.
Mm-hmm.
Over like 10 billion.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna give you both of these. You don't have these ones, do you?
No.
Okay.
I only have the pickaxe one.
And you
Are
want
all
one?
3 of these mine? Are these 2?
Of course they're yours.
No, I mean
Anyways, I'll push it.
this one.
There we go.
Sorry guys, I was going to transition that, but no, there's so much interesting stuff happening around you.
So, and we have this picture from another time.
Interesting.
Do you guys remember this?
Yeah, I remember that.
He was so happy when we gave him that cup. And we have one more thing. You love Minecraft, right? The Minecraft pig. So I know you're all about Minecraft and all, so why not just give you everything Minecraft? So, since you're the biggest gamer in the world, and your Minecraft username is... You switch it every time.
Minecraft. Wait. The 10 billion Minecraft gamer.
So give it up. Cheers. Sorry, I'm going to use your water. Cheers. Or do you guys want cheers? Cheers. Happy birthday. High five.
Woo! You're better than the other way.
And goodbye.
What a nice guy.